Today we're going to be finding the limiting reagent. Our example here is hydrogen reacts with oxygen to form water. So down here we have our balanced equation and we want to find the coefficients. So we have the coefficient for H2 is 2 and the coefficient for O2 is 1. And then we want to write our reactions for hydrogen. So for H2, our reaction is going to be 10 grams because that is what we're given up at the top. 10 grams of H2, and then I like to draw it like this. And then you have the molar mass of H2 at the bottom, which is 2.02 grams. And then 1 mole of H2 at the top. And then when you do the math there, you're going to get 4.95 moles of H2. And then you're going to move to oxygen. So O2, you're given 80.0 grams of O2. I like to do this. You do the molar mass of O2, which comes to be 32 grams per mole. And then when you do that math, you're going to get 2.50 moles. And then you want to divide by the coefficients, which we found up here. So for H2, you're going to get 4.95, and you're going to divide it by 2, which is going to give you 2.48. And then for O2, you get the 2.50 moles, which you figured out over here, and then the hydrogen one was up there. And then you're going to divide that by 1 because that was our coefficient for oxygen. And then you're going to get 2.50. And since 2.48 is smaller than the 2.5, your limiting reagent is going to be the H2. So this is going to be your limiting reagent, which equals H2 is your limiting reagent.